Ultravation, improving indoor environments since 2000. UVC-Advantage UV light for HVAC, a revolutionary way to keep HVAC components free of biogrowth and other microorganisms. The wet interior surfaces of your HVAC system are ideal for biogrowth that triggers allergies and bacteria that increases airborne bacteria concentrations. Mold infestation causing just a thin film of biogrowth on the cooling coil impedes HVAC efficiency. The air conditioner works harder, uses more electricity, and wear and tear is accelerated. UVC-Advantage kills HVAC biogrowth with no chemicals or ozone, and lowers HVAC energy consumption as well, because UV light has the unique ability to break down DNA and microbes. UVC-Advantage is industry-leading with many unique features. First, it's a one-piece integrated germicidal UV lamp and power supply. It's very compact in size, making it versatile. It easily tucks away inside the HVAC system and can even mount with a magnet. And never worry about warranty, because UVC-Advantage's full lifetime warranty is continuously renewed with each replacement service. UVC-Advantage, the sensible and smart way to keep your HVAC system clean, biogrowth free, and energy efficient.